Hello guys, so I'm going to explain what variables are now. In C, variables are basically places where you can put values and basically store information in memory. So for example, if we did integer x equals 50, then this would store the value 50 in the x variable. And if we did, I don't know, integer y equals 20, then we store 20 in the y variable. And then these get stored in memory and you can access them later. So these are basically the data types of your variable, essentially the type of information you'll be storing. So more on that later, but I'll briefly describe it now. Int is an integer basically that can hold numbers. So that's all that means. And here is our variable name. So we'll use the name to access it later on. Essentially, variables are defined with names so that they can be referenced throughout your program.